Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com here today to talk about some of the products we have for your facial fur. We have an awesome beard care kit that's perfect for gifts or for that special someone that maybe has a little bit of beard fuzz that needs some attention. We have assembled a lot of different products here that kind of work together to take care of all of your facial hair needs. We'll just go right down the line. So for general shaping, general kind of cleanup, we have stuff like this little comb here from Captain Foswitz, and this is something that's perfect for styling or just kind of taming the hair that's on your face. It's a nice foldable size, so you can throw it in your pocket or your bag or whatever, travel bag, and it's awesome, light. And I find it just for general, just kind of keep my goatee nice and clean and shapen. This is a perfect little product. Along those lines, if you're in the bathroom and you want to trim, one of the most popular things people run into with double-edged razors is the head is kind of big. And if you're anything like me, sometimes the little corner of your lip, right here in the corner, or around your mustache area, you may want to do some little light trimming. You can use a double-edged razor, or you could use a double-edged shaping mustache razor like this from Merkur. It's been made forever. This has been out since the 50s. It has kind of a unique shovel kind of head. There's a larger side and a smaller side. They have kind of a triangular shaped blades. It does come with one blade. We do sell extra blades on our website, and it's the perfect tool to just kind of, get right here in the corner of your lip or around your mustache area, or do any kind of little light cleanup. You could even use it if you are into that, if you have a unibrow, I guess, for other kind of areas of your face where you just need a little tiny razor to do some touch-up and cleanup. That's a great tool to have. In terms of actually taking care of your beard hair, one thing that happens when you're growing out facial hair for the first time is dryness. A lot of people experience it where their face is kind of flaky or dry. It feels a little bit maybe tender. Paraso makes an awesome beard balm that is actually not just for the hair, but it's really for the skin underneath. It's something that's going to be really great to keep it moisturized as the hair is starting to come out. And if you actually rub it in, if you put it on and kind of rub it in for a little bit, just with your fingers like this, you'd be surprised in the first couple, a week or two of growing out facial hair, it's actually could help to promote the growth of facial hair. It'll bring blood to the surface there, and that's always going to help with hair growth. So another product that is from Paraso we really like is the mustache wax. This is something that I'll demo it here. If you want to style your mustache a little bit or just even kind of tame it. Half the time when you have facial hair, you get it in your mouth. I know it sounds kind of gross, but I'm just being real here, being serious. And this is kind of like a light wax. It's not heavy at all. It's very easy. Sometimes the beeswax products are great, but they're a little harder to maybe style. I like to just kind of rub this in like this. Maybe comb it through too with our comb. I know it kind of looks a little pasty right now. There we go. Kind of comb that through, and it's going to add a lot of shape and kind of get it out of my mouth. Now, if you have a handlebar mustache, I'm sure it's going to work a lot better for a lot more volume. Yeah, there you go. Little shape there. Another product that is used for kind of daily usage would be the Paraso Beard Oil. Now, this is a product that you're going to put in. Just put a little bit in the palm of your hand, and you can work that with your fingertips or put it right in like that, either way. And a little bit of oil is going to add hydration to your hair so it doesn't dry out and get wiry. Also kind of adds a little sheen, little shine to the hair, so it kind of looks hip and modern and clean. And it also smells great. And I can tell you, if you've been around the lady friend or significant other, whoever, it's always appreciated to have softer facial hair. That's the number one complaint that women have with guys if they are have the facial hair. They go in for a little love, and it's wiry. It's like a bristle pad, like a porcupine. So you want to make sure to keep your facial hair nice and soft and smelling great. And the beard oil is a wonderful way to do that. Lots of different scents out there, but this is something that's like a wood and spice kind of flavor, very masculine, and it's not overpowering at all. So it's a great beard oil there. Now, if you want to go in for the deep treatment, that's the last kind of product in our kit here. These are a series of hot oils that you can use with like a hot towel. And this is really to do some work if you have a beard that maybe has been neglected for a while and is getting really wiry, maybe even on the point of unhealthy, where you're like, gosh, I may have to shave my beard off. Especially people that have longer beards, this is an essential product. Most times it happens, oil is great for, me, I have just a short little goatee here and mustache. But if you're someone who wears a really big beard, you got to imagine that by, a few inches into that, if it's, down here, it's going to be dry. It needs to be taken care of. And this hot oil treatment from Parasso is an awesome choice. So just get a hot towel, read the directions, and apply it, and you'll be blown away by how soft your hair comes out of it. It's meant to be rinsed off when you're all done, so it doesn't stay in. It's not like the oil that stays in during, throughout your day. It's more of a treatment to revitalize and bring back the health of your beard. So all of this together is an awesome gift for somebody who has the facial fur, but individually these products work great as well. So that is our beard care kit here at Razor Emporium. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.